Welcome back. In this video, we will start our exercise 13.6. In that exercise, we will study about a new method, that is equation reducible to a pair of linear equations into variables. Means, dear students, in this exercise or in these type of questions, equations are given, but those equations are not in the form of linear. Means, let's see this. Here what is written? 1 by x, and 1 by x is power x raised to power minus 1, which is not in linear form. So dear students, in these type of questions, first of all we will reduce the linear equations. We will reduce these equations in the form of linear equations, then we will solve it. That's why it is called equations reducible method. Okay? I am repeating, dear students, in this exercise equations are given which are not in the form of linear. वो linear equations की form में नहीं है. First of all we have to make them in linear form, then we have to solve for x and y, or we have to find the value of variable. Yes. Let's see how we will solve it. Exercise 3.6, question first part. What is given? 1 by 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2. Second equation is 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 by 6. Dear students, here we will reduce this equation using another variable in the form of linear equation. So for this what we will do, we will consider let 1 by x is equal to u. हम इस 1 by x को दूसरे वेरिएबल की फॉर्म में सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. Let it is 1 by x is equal to u and it is equation number 1, and 1 by y is equal to v. Let it is equation number 2. Now given equations can be reduced in the form 1 by x is equal to u and division 2 means u by 2 here, plus 1 by y is v divided by 3 is equal to 2. Now dear students, we will solve it. How we can solve it? By taking LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 6 divided by 2, 3 multiplied by u, 3u, plus 6 divided by 3, 2 multiplied by v, 2v, and it is equal to 2. Now on cross multiplication, 3u plus 2v is equal to 12. Let it is equation number 3. Yes dear students, like this we have get equation in linear form, and let it is equation number 3. Now similarly we will solve this equation, and when we solve it what we will get? 1 by x is equal to u, then what we will get? U by 3 plus 1 by y is equal to v, then it will equal to v by 2 and is equal to 13 by 6. Now we will take the LCM of it. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. 6 divided by 3, 2u plus 6 divided by 2, 3v is equal to 13 by 6. Now on cross multiplication what you will get? 2u plus 3v is equal to 13 by 6 into 6. 6 cancel out. 2u plus 3v is equal to 13. Let it is equation number 4. Now dear students, we will solve equation 3rd and 4th. You can use any algebraic method here, either elimination method or substitution method or cross multiplication method. So equation is 2u plus 3v is equal to 13. Suppose I am using elimination method here and I want to eliminate u. Then what we will do? We will make the coefficient of u same in both the equation. Here it is 3, here it is 2. How can we make the same? If I multiply this equation third by 2 and fourth equation by 3, we will get 6. Now on multiplying by 2 here, multiplying by 3. What we will get? 3 2s are 6u plus 2 2s are 4v is equal to 12 2s are 24. Here 3 2s are 6u, 3 3s are 9v is equal to 33s are 39. On subtracting minus 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 4u minus 9v, we will get minus 5v plus minus minus because minus number is greater, and when we subtract 24 from 39 we will get 15. Now minus minus cancel out, v is equal to 15 divided by 5 means v is equal to 3. Like this we get the value of v. Now these students, we will find the value of u by putting the value of v in equation. We can substitute the value of v either in this equation third, either or in fourth equation. Suppose I am putting in third equation. In equation third, 3u plus 2v, and what is the value of v? 3, and it is equal to 12. So from here 3u, 3 2s are 6 is equal to 12. 3u is equal to 12 minus 6. 3u is equal to 6. From here u is equal to 6 divided by 3. U is equal to 2. Now from here we get the value of u. But dear students, we have to find the value of x and y as our question is in the form of variable x and y. So how we will find the value of x and y? Now we will substitute the value of u and v in equation first and second. So on putting the value of in equation value of u and v in equations first and second, 1 by x is equal to u, and what is the value of u? 2. So from here x will equal to, when we will do the reciprocal of it, we will get x is equal to 1 by 2, and 1 by y is equal to v, and what is the value of v? 3. Here y is equal to 1 by 3. So x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3 is our answer. Like this we will solve the equations which are not in linear form by reducible method, and like this we will solve this question. It is the first part of this question. Now dear students, second part of question number 1. Yes dear students, what is given? 2 by root x plus 3 upon root y is equal to 2, and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. There is one difference in this part, in this question and previous question. In this equation is in the form of square root, but don't worry, we will follow same method. What we will do here? In previous question we have substituted for 1 by x and 1 by y. Here we will substitute 1 by root x and 1 by root y. Let's see how we will do this. Let 1 by root x is equal to u, and let it is equation number first. 1 by root y is equal to v. Let it is. Yes dear students, now 3. Now come to this equation. 4. 1 by root x is u minus 9. 1 by root y is v and it is equal to minus 1. That is equation number 4. Now dear students, again you can choose any method for solving these two equations from equations 3rd and 4th. 2u plus 3v is equal to 2 and 4u minus 9v is equal to minus 1. Suppose I am using elimination method. So here you can write by elimination method. Here suppose I want to eliminate u variable, it is 2, it is 4. And if I am multiplying this equation by 2, I will get 4. So multiplying this equation by 2 and this equation by 1. But you will get from here dear students, 2 into 2u, 4u plus 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 3 2s are 6v is equal to 2 2s are 4. Here 4 into 1 4u plus minus minus 9v into 1 9v minus plus minus 1. Now on subtracting, when we subtract, sign will change. This plus 4u will become minus 4u and minus 9v will become plus 9v. Minus 1 will become plus 1. Plus 4u minus 4u will cancel each other. Plus 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 6 plus 9 15v is equal to 4 plus 1 5. Now v is equal to 5 by 15. V is equal to 1 by 3. It is the value of v. Now we will find the value of u. How can we find? Now on putting the value of v in equation. In which equation we can substitute? Either in 3rd or in 4th. Suppose I am putting in 3rd, in equation 3rd. In 3rd equation, what is given? 2u plus 3v. 3 into v. What is the value of v? 1 by 3. And it is equal to 2. 3 cancel out. From here, what is left? 2u plus 1 is equal to 2. 2u is equal to 2 minus 1. 2u is equal to 1. U is equal to 1 by 2. So, like this, we have got the value of u and v. But dear students, we have to find the value of x and y. How can we find the value of x and y? By substituting the value of u and v in equation 1st and 2nd. We have to find the value of x and y, not of root x and root of root y. So how we will solve it? Putting the value of u and v in equations 1st and 2nd. And our first equation is 1 by root x and it is equal to u. And what is the value of u? 1 by 2. From here, when you solve it, we will get the value of root x. Root x is equal to 2. But we have to find the value of x. How can we find? On squaring. So, on squaring both sides. On squaring both sides. Root x whole square is equal to 2 square. Square square root cancel out. X is equal to 4. Now we will solve for y. 1 by root y is equal to 1 by root y is equal to b. And what is the value of b? 1 by 3. So from here root y is equal to 3. Squaring both sides. Y root y whole square is equal to 3 square. y is equal to 9. Very easy. This is the second part of this question. Yes, dear students, now third part of question number first. 4 by x plus 3y is equal to 14. 3 by x minus 4y is equal to 23. Yes, dear students, here y is in the linear form, but x is not in linear form. So we will reduce variable x only. So how can we do this? We will substitute for 1 by x only. Let 1 by x is equal to u. Let it is equation number 1. Now equation can be reduced in the form of 4. 1 by x is u. So what we will get? 4u plus 3y is equal to 14. Let it is equation number 2. Now here 3 by x means 3u minus 4y is equal to 23. Let it is equation number 3. So you can solve by any method. Now from equations 2nd and 3rd, I am using elimination method, or you can choose substitution method. By elimination method, 4u plus 3y is equal to 14. 3u minus 4y is equal to 23. Multiply it by 3 and multiply this equation by 4. What you will get? 4 3s are 12u plus 3 3s are 9y is equal to 14 3s are 42. 3 4s are 12u minus 4 4s are 16y is equal to 23. 4s are 92. Now what we will do? Again we will subtract. On subtracting, minus, this minus will become plus and this plus will become minus. From here plus 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 16 plus 9, 25y is equal to plus 42 minus 92. We will get minus 50. Y is equal to minus 50 divided by 25. Y is equal to minus 2. This is the value of y. Now what we will do? We will solve for u. Now we will substitute the value of y either in equation 2nd or in 3rd. Now putting the value of y in equation, suppose I am substituting in 2nd. Now 4u plus 3y, 3 into y is minus 2 and it is equal to 14. 4u plus minus minus 3 2s are 6 and it is equal to 14. And 4u is equal to 14. This minus 6 will become plus 6. 4u is equal to 20. U is equal to 20 divided by 4. U is equal to 5. But we have to find the value of x. So what we will do? Putting the value of u, putting the value of u in equation first, because we have to find the value of x. 1 by x is equal to 5. When we solve it, we will get x is equal to 1 by 5. So dear students, x is equal to 1 by 5 and y is equal to minus 2. This is the answer of your question. This is the